Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the diagnostic policy service is not running on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select diagnostic and feedback. You'll find this option here, so you can turn the switch on, and turning the switch on will fix the problem. I personally keep it off because I don't like sharing the diagnostic data. A few other channels and websites are sharing this option to go to services and enable the diagnostic policy service, but there is no diagnostic policy service. Obviously there is this diagnostic policy service, but it is usually running by default. So you have to right click on it and start it if it's not started. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.